Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now we are going to discuss an example where we are going to obtain a Laplace transform of 1 plus 3t into e raised to 2t the whole square. Okay, so here if you see the example, it is not multiplied by any of the term like exponential or something. Right now it looks very simple. So what we do, we'll consider the whole result, the given result, as f of t. What is that? 1 plus 3t 1 plus 3t into e raised to 2t the whole square. It is like a plus b whole square. If it is like a plus b whole square, then what is its expansion? Its expansion is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore it is 1 plus 2 times of 1 into this, means it is 6 times t into e raised to 2t plus square of this b square, that is 9t square into e raised to 4t. Okay, fine. So for e raised to 4t. Now this is what our f of t is. Straight away apply Laplace on both sides, then L of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 plus 6 times 6 is constant, keep it out, then Laplace transform of t into e raised to 2t plus 9 is constant, keep it out, then Laplace transform of t square into e raised to 4t. To solve this, it doesn't require any of the special property or something. Directly we can obtain the result. It is 1 by s. But here if you see, these two are the products of algebraic and exponential terms, and similarly this is also a product of algebraic and exponential terms. Right now we have a property which is known as shifting property. As per the shifting property, the product other than an exponential, whatever the term is left out, that will be treated as a function, and we need to apply its Laplace transformation. Then after that, in that s is going to be replaced by s plus a or s minus a based on its power. If the power is positive, then s will be replaced by s minus that negative coefficient. If it is negative, then s plus. If it is positive, then s minus. Okay, very simple case. If the exponential is having a positive power, then its overall result will be delayed by that constant. If exponential is having negative power, then that entire function, that result will be advanced with that constant. Okay, it is a reverse case. So in this case, what we do, we try to obtain the results directly. Okay, Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s plus, here we have one trick. Instead of taking this and these two are separate results terms and then calculating, what we do, we try to take only exponential away from this. How do we take exponential away from this? Is it possible? Is it possible? Let us see. Other than exponential, what is there? T. That I'll take, because we need to calculate Laplace transform of t. Then where this exponential goes, as soon as I remove this exponential from here, it reflects in terms of replacement of s. S is going to be replaced by s minus a, because it is e raised to positive at. But here a is equal to 2, means s is going to be replaced by s minus 2. Similarly, 9 times Laplace transformation of other than exponential is a t square, that will be taken. Where this exponential goes, it goes in terms of shifting, that is s is going to be replaced by s minus 4. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by s plus 6 times Now you tell me what is the Laplace transformation of t, algebraic. Laplace transformation of t is what? If Laplace transformation of t raised to n is what? N factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. Therefore, here n is equal to 1. Therefore, it becomes 1 factorial divided by s raised to 1 plus 1, that is 2, means s square. Where s is not yet replaced, still it is going to be replaced in future. Plus 9 times, what is the Laplace transformation of t square? That is 2 factorial divided by s cube. Where still s is not yet replaced, it is going to shift afterwards. Fine. So this is equal to 1 divided by s. This is independent and quite simple. Plus 6 times 1 divided by s square. 1 factorial is 1 divided by s square. Still s is not yet replaced. It is going to be replaced. Plus 2 factorial is 2. So 9 into 2 factorial is 2 divided by s cube, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 4. Therefore, 1 divided by s plus 6 into 1 is 6 divided by, now I'll replace s by s minus 2. Then it becomes s minus 2 the whole square. Plus 9 2s are 18 divided by s is going to be replaced by s minus 4 the cube. Fine. So this is the required result of L of f of t. That f of t is equal to the given function. Thank you.